Good Saturday afternoon, y'all. I am back in the kitchen to show you two different recipes of how I'm doing my chicken today. So remember I said I would show y'all the next time I did it in the cast iron skillet? So that's today. So for my first batch of chicken, that'll be 4 pieces. They're chicken thighs. I just skinned them. Left a little bit of skin on the edges, a little bit of fat. That's okay. So I'm gonna just lightly spread some chili pepper flakes, or I'm sorry, some red pepper. Then I'm gonna put a nice helping of the chili powder on, and then just a little bit of a kick with the cayenne pepper. So that's for the first 4 pieces. And then the other 4 pieces, I am going to put lemon pepper seasoning on that. I've already got my pan ready. As soon as I start coating these, I'm going to turn the stove on low. I've got olive oil in there. On one half of the pan, I have the hot seasoning. On the other half of the pan, I have the mild seasoning. And I've got my oven preset to 400. So let me turn the oven or the stove on low. There we go. So we'll get the oil heating up while I am coating all of these. So just a little bit, not too much, and I'm going to do each side, and then I'll show you once I get. Now the chili pepper, or the chili powder actually, I'm putting quite a bit on because I like chili flavor. Okay, the cayenne, come on, not much. Because I really don't feel like burning my tongue. We'll see what happens. Okay, so now for the first side of the lemon pepper. Here we go, and let me bring you down so y'all can see what it looks like down here. There we go, so that's the first side. Put you back up. And then let me flip them over. And I'll coat the back. And because my skillet, even though it's big, it can only hold about 4 pieces of chicken comfortably. So that's all I'm gonna do. So do this again on this side. Red pepper flakes, chili powder, and it's just to your tasting. So I would say on each piece I'm putting half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm putting probably about a tablespoon, or actually a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper on the full chicken piece, on the full thigh, and then a tablespoon of chili powder, and then a tablespoon on the mild ones of the lemon pepper. There we go. So now it's all set, and I will bring you back once it is in the pan so you can see it browning. All right, y'all, so one side is all browned up. Ooh, look at that goodness. So I don't cook it all the way through on the stove. I finish it off in the oven, but I get each side browned real well. So it'll seal in all that good flavor and seal it in so it's all nice and moist. So I will be back when it is out of the oven and ready to taste test. All right, y'all, so it is 20 minutes later. So I put them at 400 degrees in a preheated oven for 20 minutes after browning them really well on both sides. So here's the spicy one. Let's see how it goes. Y'all, look at that steam. Oh, y'all. It's moist. It's got that nice little crisp with the flavors. Oh, y'all, you need to do this. If you don't have an iron skillet, a cast iron skillet, get you one that's pre-seasoned. Make sure you maintain it like it says on the instructions. And man, you can brown stuff on the stove, stick it in the oven to finish it off, and y'all, it just tastes so good. Let's try the lemon pepper now. Look at that coating, y'all. Here we go. Oh, y'all. Yeah, definitely a tablespoon. So half a tablespoon on one side, half a tablespoon on the other. And it's so moist. So, if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. And I'll show y'all what I ate this with for my lunch.